morning! It's day 3 at the dam.
We're on our way to drop off our
Laundry.
Huh?
Asa ta padulong niya?
We are going to have our laundry.
No, after the laundry.
Sorry. I don't know what that is.
Diri sa Ho Chi Minh, kuan sila, murag by district, no? Murag ka ng Hunger Games. So, District 1, District 1 ang pinaka-urbanized. And yeah, pinaka-busy ka district. And then,
touristy.
sige, paki-explain. Ang District 2,
District 2 is great, pero it's quite far. District 1 and District 3 are relatively near. So, yeah.
anak ko nga, okay lang si Ansa nga district. Ayaw lang sa District 12. Japanese Aberdeen coded.
So, pwede lang ni Dari Ambra. Magpano na straps?
See, you look at the prices. How cheap.
Unsa na siya? Ang
Green grapes.
green grapes is about 89,000, so it's around 180 pesos.
More or less.
Look at their breads. Their breads are fluffy.
See, it's so cheap.
How much money?
Amazing na kayo dito sa Vietnam. Kaya barato ka ilang mga food. Like, as compared sa Philippines, ha, pero gaba siya kayo Pilipinas.
Okay, they will attack.
Oh, go. Oh. That's how Bangis way.
A medium also, medium ice. So one hot, one ice.
Medium size.
Medium size. Now tita, the orange. This is very refreshing.
For Darlie naman, yung gusto is chicken and rice. So, she's about to buy Conga. We're gonna do a taste test sa among mga ipamalit. Mine is ice. Isa kayo natin, Jam?
Espresso with milk.
Espresso with milk.
Nakadami yung
Espresso din tayo siya.
Katong ilang creamer.
And then, Ate Jam, sa imong gipalit, can you tell them? Can you tell my subscribers sa mga silingan na ako?
Wala ang resibo.
So I had espresso shot with milk, but this is hot.
Yeah,
But
mine is
also,
ice.
we added some oatmeal, and it tastes.
I need that oatmeal.
10 times better.
I need that
Dilawig.
Na-impas, ita ka memorize sa presyo.
better.
Yeah.
Fruit na? Ikaw, Grams?
Wala pa, magpanga pa lang.
Kung ano lang.
Ilawan natin sobra. Ilawan natin ang pure.
And then, I bought banh mi. This is banh mi.
Ito siya isa.
So, it's bread with
Ang laundry.
pork, and then onion, cilantro, egg, and cucumber.
Ang laundry lang.
Ito! Di ba, Spotify man na! Keep the chain.
Lami ang banh mi, guys. So good! It's so good. Minus the cilantro. Mayos kayo, nasa background ko kayo.
Stop na.
Kape. Ito lang.
This is Conga.
Granola oats with mixed fruits. Granola.
Aha.
We'll mix the yogurt a little bit. We will add yogurt.
Sa background.
All for you guys. All for you.
Grabe na dyan ni ha. Grabe na lang nga.
Sama lang ako.
Pagka-content. Wala lang isa.
For the content.
Niya ang rice na yun, guys.
Go.
I-overwhelm siya.
Forget it.
And then we will mix.
Come here, guys.
And then we will add banana later.
Come to Vietnam, eat good food.
Yes. Cheap. Good cheap. Ay, no. It's like girly.
Almond and the...
Oh, wala kay lamit na ng pagkaon diri ba? Why dili lamit diri?
Java rice.
So this is
Conga.
Conga.
Con means rice.
Rice.
Ga
Ga is
means
chicken.
This is so good.
So chicken rice.
Next.
Next.
Amit.
Mamit ka.
Let's try.
Kung may lami, may hindi may lami.
Gani.
Luto dyan, no?
Appetizing kayo. Amoy pa lang.
Hindi yan ang rice.
Kung silalay pa lang daan, with feelings.
I don't know.
Nice something ang
May
rice.
something sa rice. Another one.
Yes, i-balance ang equation. I-balance ang equation. I-balance ang unsa sa chemistry, sa organic chemistry.
I-balance ang debit and
Hi, Ma'am
credit.
Pepot.
Ah!
Anak po, di ba?
Sa accounting.
I-balance ang input and output of fluids of the body.
Balance ang interest para ma-compromise.
I-balance ang communication dapat na turn taking.
Kung sa unang panahon, no, diri ta nabuhi ka. Diri ako ang banker.
Medical banker. May pamakita na ko sa new banker. Ako wag yung pinakita.
Aming fruit.
It's very cheap. The fruit is how much?
Much to?
Madira. Tanong pinakak na tayo kuan.
All I know is a local product from the
Venus.
Philippines.
Tara, may grocery din rin. Awa. Oh, Patsit Canton, Highlands Corned Beef, Ding Dong, Boy Bawang.
The most important part of the program.
Cubes. So, muna siya mong pasalubong kang Darlene.
Magalubong ang darling.
Because our friend here is working na in Ho Chi Minh.
Tainin.
Tainin.
Ho Chi Minh next year. Charot!
Ah,
But the most important thing, they have gulay in their rice meal.
Yeah.
So,
For dessert.
kuan ba yan? Ibril ba yan? Ang duha ka tika mo ang nagaguba. So akong dentist kay halalahi naman niya kaipilit raman ang kuan, ang bracket dili naman di man para hatong sa unang gidrill ang ngipon mo na nangagupa akong kanang bira.
What do you feel?
Hindi siya tama isip siya asilong.
same.
Dili siya great. Dili siya usual ang
Lato. Dili man Spotify man na.
Meet me behind mo.
Mga gamit.
Sa?
Dili.
Kay.
Ito, distract po.
Gusto daw niya mga range. Festival expect sa mga gamit. Kai. Naka-record name ko.
Oh my God.
Out of nowhere.
A few minutes later.
We're about to take our lunch now. August. Look. Salted. And the rest on your toe. I never needed anything more. Let's eat. Yummy food.
Manseo.
Panseo.
This is Vietnamese pancake.
Vietnamese pancake.
With, there are soge, shrimp, meat inside.
If you want to take a look inside
Ooh. So, what do you call that, ate?
rice paper.
Rice paper.
May mga greens. Some would have cucumber and mango with this.
Okay.
Since they roll it.
Roll it, roll it, rolling on the river.
Where? Vinegar. Vinegar.
How was it?
It's just a light ko ano. Yeah.
It's good?
I did not expect na siya squid.
Oh.
Lagi ako na kung kanamit ako.
I thought toge lang siya and mushroom and shrimp. Not siya squid. So good.
I want that. Oh yeah. Ubod gan. Ito kaya sa ito. Ano pa nila yung term? Dabong.
As you can see, this is a very chill day for us. We really didn't plan anything big today. Pero nakaplano na gyud na mag-stroll mi sa city, and so we went here sa Saigon Central, which is a popular shopping center among
So
tourists.
this is us after namo nag-shopping. Grabe. Oh, tanawa, nabudol ko. Pack. It's for hand carry. So, at least. Magamit yun na ako siya. And, syempre, sulod ana. Dagan kayo nagsulod ng mga napalit na ko gain na. Ikaw, Dan, saan mong budol, Dan?
Akong budol. Mag-unboxing at ano.
Sige, mag-unboxing ako.
For myself and for my family.
Murag ang smoking, murag okay ra magkuan ka, mag sigarilyo kami ski asawa. May mamadlong. May mamadlong.
Mabusog ka sa hangin.
Murag magkalang cancer ta diri ka dapit. Lang cancer is waving kay diri sa Ho Chi Minh ay.
Gabi na karon kay it's raining, so
Yeah.
nag-smoke sa palibot.
So after this, maato mi sa katong coffee apartment. So it's like a big apartment with lots of coffee shops. We're just waiting for Darlene and Ate Jam to finish shopping.
Wala pa nila nahurot ang second floor, Manggod.
Wala pa.
Thanks!
Budol-budol. Thank you.
Come on. Cutie. So, nabudol mi. Kaya ano, nisulod man may otro. Nabudol na. Di ba na yung bigay ng manamig shopping?
Sana sa mga nagapanigarilyo sa gawas.
Kaya magnanigarilyo. So, nisulod mig bali. O, nakapalit
Kunya
na.
kay ulan man.
Mao ni ang mga nawong sa nahumanag shopping.
Yes, bangko.
Oh, nahurot ang among formal yan. Tapos, it's kind of raining here in Ho Chi Minh.
Uy, pahasa!
What's that?
Books shop with a lot of cute things.
Ooh.
Asa na nagtanaw?
Ano sa iyo?
Asa? Na magdala ta ugma.
It's an apartment. Pizza.
The burrata.
Vanilla ice cream?
That's not ice cream, that's burrata cheese. No?
Burrata.
Burrata.
Dapat kay burrata. Gutom na mi guys. Murag market na.
Try the pizza.
Ano? Gusto ko makuha dire. Pero mawala yung aesthetic ako po. Dati.
Kuha na kayo.
Diri mi makuha.
Dami ba? Ito yan.
Yummy. Dapat lang kayo.
Katilaw na mong pizza nga tag 350,000 pesos sabi. So, magat na mas daw. Lapit naman kuan. 500,000.